Hey creators, ever come across an awesome YouTube channel banner and thought, wow, I wish I could download that? Well, now you can super easily. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download any YouTube channel banner in seconds using our free tool at youtube-thumbnail-download.org. Let's dive in. A YouTube channel banner, also called channel art, is that large image at the top of any channel's homepage. It's like the first impression for visitors, showcasing the creator's vibe, brand, or schedule. But if you're a designer, marketer, or even a curious fan, there hasn't been an easy way to download them until now. Here's how the tool works. Go to our website and find the YouTube channel banner downloader section. It's free, fast, and requires no sign up. All you need is the URL of the YouTube channel. That's it. Paste it into the box, click download banner, and boom, you get a high quality image of the channel's banner, ready to use for inspiration, mood boards, or even for YouTube SEO analysis. And now you might be wondering, why would I want to download someone else's banner? Great question. Inspiration. If you're designing your own channel art, looking at what top creators are doing can spark great ideas. Competitive analysis. See how others are using branding, calls to action, and visuals to engage audiences. Client work. If you're a freelancer or editor, you might need to download your client's banner to build mockups or redesign it. Archiving. Maybe your favorite creator is deleting or updating their banner. Now you can save the original. Let's walk through it together. I'll copy the URL of this channel, paste it right here, and hit download banner. And there it is, a crisp, clean banner image ready to be saved. You can now right click and save the image to your computer or phone. Super quick, super easy. Just a few things to keep in mind. You can use this for personal inspiration or creative analysis, but don't copy someone's banner and use it as your own. That's just not cool. Want to create your own banner? Use the downloaded image as a reference in Canva or Photoshop and build something original. If you found this tool helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more awesome YouTube growth tools, and drop a comment if there's a feature you'd like to see next. Try out the banner downloader at youtube-thumbnail-download.org/youtube-channel-banner-downloader. Thanks for watching and happy creating.